What's up, ladies? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going over the Sky-Hi Car Audio passive cooling heat sink extensions. Sky-Hi Car Audio passive cooling heat sink extensions. Got it. They're available in 6 colors from our website currently. They're available in blue, red, green. This might be easier for you. Blue, red, green, gold, and sorry about that. I'll fix that real quick. Gold or orange, black, gunmetal gray. With the gunmetal gray is actually super sick, and also in a raw, so you can essentially choose your own color if you aren't happy with the 6 that we provide. They come in a box like so. They're sold in packs of 4. They're all size specific amplifiers. So for example, today we have the 3000.4. The 3000.4, obviously you can only order, this size will only fit this amplifier, and the 3500. But the 5500, the 1600 by 4, 8500, and 10500 all have their own specific size. Obviously those amps are longer and they need more heatsink. So it's really simple to actually order on the website. I'll go ahead and do an overlay for you to see. Let's say that we want, let's say the 3500.1, and we want it to be gunmetal, and we don't want a custom powder coat. You can just add to cart there. When it says quantity 1 here, that's sold in a pack of 4, and that is it. So you see $170 for a 4-pack of the Sky-Hi Car Audio 3500.1 passive cooling in the color gunmetal. Now each 4-pack obviously comes with 4 heat sinks on your ordered color and your selected size. They also come with 16 of these little Allen heads, and what these do is they make it so that these don't slide in and out, obviously. So as you can see here, maybe I'll zoom in. On each passive cooling there are 4 little holes, and all you do is you take one of these, or 4 of these, but for this demonstration purpose we're just going to do 1. Included Allen key, included Allen head, and you just, not too tight, insert it in the hole here. Insert it in the hole, tighten slightly, said and done. No more movement. And then obviously if you want to, undo it, so to speak, or if you want to change your colors, or if you aren't happy with it for whatever reason, or you just want to change colors or add something here and there, you can just unscrew them. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, and they slide right out. Here, actually, let me show you the channels in here so you can see. And this 3000.4 amplifier is just for this purpose of this video, but essentially all of the amplifiers will be the same. So there's going to be, here, let's start with this. There's going to be channels on each amplifier for the heat sinks to inlay in, on the 2 on the top and the 2 on the side. And then these are the exact opposite of those channels, and they just fill the gap essentially. They slide in real nice. You just put them in, bada bing, bada boom, slide it in, and then again, take your included Allen head with your Allen key, and then you just screw it in like so, and then it tightens it down. No more movie. And it's actually pretty simple. Quick overview, we have 9,000 plus options of colors that you can choose from if you aren't happy with our 6. Again, they're sold in packs of 4. They come included with the Allen heads to secure the passive cooling to the amplifier so they don't slide in and out. Again, we went over the channels here. Everything just slides and locks into place through these channels. They are size specific, other than the 3500.1 and the 3000.4, because those 2 amps have the same casing, so obviously the same heat sink will fit there, but they are size specific. So if you have a 5500, you'll have to order a 5500.1 size. If you have a 10500, you have to do the same. If you have an 8500, same thing. You get the point. Not rocket science. Increase the cooling of your amplifier with the Sky-Hi Car Audio passive cooling options. Anyway, thanks for watching the video.